Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of mango. Are you ready to dive into a world of fruity goodness and feel-good vibes? Grab your sunglasses because today, we're on a sunshine-filled adventure exploring the incredible health perks of the one and only, the fantastic mango. Mangoes, with their juicy sweetness and sunny disposition, are more than just a treat for your taste buds. They're a nutritional powerhouse that can contribute to your overall well-being in a multitude of ways. So let's peel back the layers and explore the fantastic health benefits that make mangoes a true superfruit. Fasten your seatbelts and get ready for a mouth-watering adventure into the heart of mango wellness. Join us as we unravel the health tapestry woven by this tropical delight and discover why the journey to well-being begins with a single, sumptuous bite of the mighty mango. Firstly, mangoes are an excellent source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports the immune system. Vitamin C stimulates the production and function of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections and pathogens. The presence of antioxidants in mangoes, including beta-carotene, quercetin, and astragalin, helps neutralize free radicals. By reducing oxidative stress, antioxidants contribute to the overall health of the immune system. Vitamin A, found in mangoes, plays a crucial role in the development and function of immune cells. Adequate vitamin A levels are essential for maintaining the integrity of the skin and mucosal surfaces, acting as a barrier against pathogens. What's more, mangoes are a good source of dietary fiber, including both soluble and insoluble fiber. Fiber is crucial for maintaining regular bowel movements, preventing constipation, and supporting overall digestive health. The fiber in mangoes adds bulk to the stool and helps move it through the digestive tract more efficiently. Consuming an adequate amount of fiber can alleviate constipation and promote regularity. Fiber-rich foods like mangoes serve as prebiotics, promoting the growth and activity of beneficial bacteria in the gut. A healthy gut microbiome is associated with improved digestion and may contribute to overall well-being. Mangoes contain enzymes like amylases, which aid in the digestion of carbohydrates. These natural enzymes can support the digestive process and may be beneficial for individuals with difficulty digesting certain foods. Mangoes have a high water content, contributing to overall hydration. Proper hydration is essential for softening stool and preventing constipation. Mangoes provide essential electrolytes like potassium, which plays a role in maintaining proper fluid balance. Electrolyte balance is important for optimal digestive function. Some individuals with irritable bowel syndrome find that the soluble fiber in mangoes may help manage symptoms by promoting regular bowel movements. But wait, there is more. Mangoes can contribute to heart health through various mechanisms, thanks to their rich nutritional content. They are a good source of dietary fiber, including both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber can help lower levels of LDL cholesterol, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Mangoes contain potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining proper fluid balance and electrolyte levels. Adequate potassium intake can help regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of hypertension and related cardiovascular issues. Mangoes are rich in antioxidants, including beta-carotene, quercetin, and others. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, which can contribute to the development of cardiovascular diseases. The vitamin C content in mangoes is beneficial for the health of blood vessels and arteries. Vitamin C supports the production of collagen, which is important for maintaining the integrity and flexibility of arterial walls. Some studies suggest that mango consumption may help reduce triglyceride levels, another important marker for cardiovascular health. Maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is important for heart health, and the fiber content in mangoes may contribute to better blood sugar control. Additionally, mangoes are rich in vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining the health of the retina. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in the formation of visual pigments in the eyes, contributing to low light and color vision. Mangoes contain the carotenoids, lutein and zeaxanthin, which are known to accumulate in the retina, particularly in the macula. Lutein and zeaxanthin act as antioxidants, helping to protect the eyes from oxidative damage caused by exposure to sunlight and other environmental factors. Antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin are associated with a reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration, a common eye condition that can lead to vision loss. The high water content in mangoes contributes to overall hydration, which is important for maintaining ocular comfort and preventing dry eyes. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Moreover, compounds like quercetin, isoquercetin, astragalin, fisetin, and gallic acid found in mangoes have anti-inflammatory effects, which may help reduce inflammation in the body. Did you know mangoes can be beneficial for skin health? They are an excellent source of vitamin A, which is crucial for skin health. Vitamin A supports skin regeneration, promotes the growth of new skin cells, and helps maintain the integrity of the skin. Vitamin C in mangoes is essential for the synthesis of collagen, a structural protein that provides firmness and elasticity to the skin. Collagen is vital for maintaining skin suppleness and preventing the formation of wrinkles and fine lines. The antioxidants in mangoes, particularly beta-carotene, may help protect the skin from damage caused by UV rays. While not a substitute for sunscreen, including antioxidant-rich foods in your diet can provide additional support against sun damage. Compounds like quercetin in mangoes have anti-inflammatory effects. Reducing inflammation can contribute to healthier skin by alleviating conditions like redness and irritation. Vitamin C and other nutrients in mangoes play a role in promoting wound healing. These nutrients contribute to the formation of collagen and support the skin's ability to recover from injuries. Regular consumption of mangoes may contribute to an even skin tone and a healthy complexion. The combination of vitamins and antioxidants supports skin health from the inside out. Mangoes provide minerals such as potassium and magnesium, which contribute to overall skin vitality. These minerals are essential for maintaining proper skin function and appearance. Lastly, despite being sweet, mangoes have an alkalizing effect on the body, which can help balance pH levels. An alkaline environment may be beneficial for overall health. And there you have it, folks, our flavorful journey through the incredible health benefits of mangoes. From supporting your immune system to giving your skin a radiant glow, the mighty mango proves that healthy living can be a delicious adventure. So whether you're savoring a juicy slice, blending it into a refreshing smoothie, or adding it to a vibrant salad, let the mango be your tasty companion on the road to well-being. See you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.